Good morning, my happy learners. As we have already done counting from 0 till 39 in classes, today we have to start counting from 40 till 50. So, what comes after 39? 40. My tiny thinkers, you know it very well. So, let's start all together. This is number 40. 4 tens and 0 ones. U stands for ones. All the numbers which are single or one in counting are called units. So what comes after 40? Yes, it's 41, 42, 43, 44. Yes, 45, 46, 47. Good job. 48, 49, and then 50. It's number 50. Over here we have 5 tens and 0 ones. After this, my little learners, you have to skip one box and you have to rewrite 50. 5 tens and 0 ones. Make a sleeping line, then a standing line, take a curve, turn around and stop. Now you have to write 0 again. Starting from here, turn around, take a curve and then stop. Then skip one box, make a sleeping line, standing line, take a curve, turn around and stop. Put your pencil over here, hold it very tightly, take a turn, make a curve. Now turn around and stop. Superb! Well, my smart cookies, I know you all have done it very well. After this, you have to write counting from 40 till 50. So 4 tens and 0 ones. 4 tens and 0 ones. Make a line coming downwards, then draw a straight line and then a standing line. It's number 4. Now you have to write 0. Starting from here, take a curve, turn around and stop. Then you have to skip one box. What comes after 0? 1. And we are doing 4 tens. So make a straight line, come down, then a sleeping line, and then a standing line. It's number 4. 4 and 1 makes 41. Then skip one box. Keep on writing, my little champs. You are doing it very well. Yes, then skip one box and write 43. Then skip one box and write 44. So you all got the concept that tens remains the same and units are keep on changing. Good job. Yes, it's 45. Lovely. Well, my tiny thinkers and superstars, in this way you have to complete page 31. Now let's move towards page 32. Well, my little explorers, over here we have to write units. Unit stands for ones. All the numbers which are one or single in counting are called unit. Starting from 0 till 9 we have to write over here. Put your pencil over here, hold it tightly, take a turn, and stop over here. Then skip one box. As you already know what comes after 0, it's 1. Then skip one box and write, yes, it's 2. Then skip one box and write 3. Keep on trying, my young learners. Well, after completing a line of units or ones, you have to write tens. Over here, we have to write 10. 1, 10. Then what comes after 10? Yes, it's 11. Then skip one box and write 12. Then skip one box and write 13. I'm really proud of you, my little learners. You are doing great effort. Keep on trying. Well, my smart cookies, as you all know that we have done 0 till 39 in class. So today we have learned counting from 40 till 50. So what comes after 39? It's 40. Quickly write down 40, 4 tens and 0 ones. Then skip one box and write 41. Keep on doing. Then skip one box and write 42. In this way, you have to complete your work. Now what comes after 49? Yes, it's 50. All the tens are on the top. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. In this way, you have to complete your worksheet on page number 32. Hope you all have learned it very well. My little ones, you have to complete your work like this on page number 31 and 32. I will share a screen with you. Have a nice weekend and complete your work independently and enjoy your weekend. Thank you and Fi Manillah.